In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage browser cookies in Trello. Cookies play a big role in how websites and apps like Trello function. They help store your preferences, improve functionality, and enable features like analytics and marketing. But managing your cookie preferences ensures that you're in control of what data is being used and shared. Whether you're looking to fine-tune your privacy settings or simply want to adjust what kinds of cookies Trello uses while you're logged in. This tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Trello account. Open your browser and head over to Trello's website at www.trello.com. Once you're there, enter your login credentials and sign in. Now that you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the one labeled Settings. After clicking on Settings, you'll be directed to a new page. Scroll down until you find the section titled Cookie Preferences. It might take a moment to locate, so take your time and look carefully. Once you've found it, you're ready for the next step. Within the Cookie Preferences section, you'll see a button that says Manage Cookie Preferences. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the settings where you can review and adjust your cookie usage. Now, you'll notice there are three categories of cookies displayed: functional, analytical, and marketing. Functional cookies are essential for the website to work properly, like keeping you logged in or saving your settings. Analytical cookies help Trello understand how you use the platform, which can improve your experience over time. Marketing cookies are used to personalize ads and track your activity across the web. Take a moment to review each category and decide how you'd like Trello to handle them. You can adjust each setting using the toggles or sliders provided. Turn them on or off based on your preferences. Once you've made all your adjustments, make sure to save your settings, if there's an option to do so. This step ensures that your changes are applied and remembered for the future. And that's it. You've successfully managed your browser cookies in Trello. Remember, you can always return to this page at any time if you want to tweak your cookie preferences again. If you're new to Trello, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.